The ultimate loaded potato skins recipe for game day. Loaded potato skins are a popular American appetizer that consists of halved potato skins filled with a variety of toppings. Ingredients for one person: 2 medium russet potatoes, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 2 slices of veal, 1 ounce of grated cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of chopped scallions, optional. Steps: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and dry the potatoes thoroughly. Pierce the potatoes all over with a fork and place them on a baking sheet. Rub the potatoes with olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Bake the potatoes for about 50 to 60 minutes or until they are tender. Remove the potatoes from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. Slice the potatoes in half lengthwise and scoop out the flesh, leaving about 1/4 inch of flesh around the skin. Brush the potato skins with more olive oil and place them back on the baking sheet. Bake for another 10 to 12 minutes or until the skins are crispy. Fry the veal in a skillet until it's crispy and chop it into small pieces. Remove the potato skins from the oven and fill them with the chopped bacon and grated cheddar cheese. Place the potato skins back in the oven and bake for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese has melted. Remove the potato skins from the oven and sprinkle with chopped scallions, if desired. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious loaded potato skins.